Hi, I'm Max Morrison, a fourth-year PhD student at Northwestern. I'm presenting our ICLR workshop paper, Reproducible Subjective Evaluation. Crowdsourced subjective evaluations are human subject studies conducted via third-party services such as Amazon Mechanical Turk. For example, this is used to test whether one audio or image generator or denoiser is better than another. Evaluations such as AB, ABX, mean opinion score, and Mushroom tests on audio, image, text, or video data are used for research tasks in machine learning, linguistics, and psychology. However, for many of these tasks, these evaluations are time-consuming to set up and often require significant web development experience to create. This barrier also impairs the reproducibility of research tasks that necessitate human evaluation. Given the effort associated with creating crowdsourced evaluations, many have tried to avoid conducting them, instead using objective metrics to determine whether one method outperforms another. However, across machine learning tasks in audio, image, text, and video generation and denoising, no method has been proposed that has shown sufficiently strong correlation with human judgments on held out data to warrant replacing subjective evaluation with objective evaluation. So instead of trying to avoid obtaining human judgments, we should try to develop standardized tools that reduce the effort to both perform and reproduce high-quality crowdsourced subjective evaluations. We propose Reproducible Subjective Evaluation, or ResEval, an open-source pip-installable Python package that makes subjective evaluation as easy as objective evaluation. With ResEval, researchers prepare a YAML configuration file and a directory of files to evaluate. If you share just your configuration file and evaluation files, other researchers can exactly reproduce your subjective evaluation. In other words, ResEval solves the lack of reproducibility of crowdsourced subjective evaluations. Using the ResEval API, you can integrate subjective evaluations into a pipeline that, for example, could determine whether a new denoising model should replace a production model, or whether to automatically launch an A/B test if the results of a mean opinion score test between two conditions was inconclusive. So ResEval takes as input the configuration file and evaluation files produced by the researcher. ResEval sets up any necessary databases, servers, or file storage, launches a web page containing the crowdsourced task, and recruits participants on crowdsourced platforms such as Amazon Mechanical Turk to participate in your study. ResEval provides the user with both the raw data and a statistical analysis from the study. We demonstrate an example A/B audio test that will deploy locally from the command line. First, ResEval shows participants an instruction page. All of the text on this page is customizable via Markdown. Next, you can optionally include a pre-screening test. Participants who do not pass this pre-screening end the survey early and can be paid a different amount. Participants who pass pre-screening perform your subjective evaluation.
Two.
After the evaluation, you can optionally include a follow-up survey. Lastly, a unique completion code is given to each participant for them to enter on the crowdsourcing platform. In summary, crowdsourced subjective evaluations are necessary for many research tasks. ResEval is a Python package that makes these evaluations as easy to perform as objective evaluation. ResEval makes subjective evaluations reproducible by sharing just your configuration and evaluation files. Our paper and code are available at the following URLs, and you can find me on Twitter at MaxRMorrison. Thanks for listening.